Go to hollyadams.net and download these 3 things. The text editor, Node.js, which is a run script program to let JavaScript run on your computer. Download all of that. And also the GitHub file that I have posted. You're going to want to do clone and download, and then download zip and drag that onto your desktop. Then open your terminal if you're a Mac user. Then go to apps.twitter.com to generate your secret keys so that the app can post to your account. To do this, you'll need to enter these details. You want to make a unique bot name, and the website should have HTTP. When you do all of this, it'll create your consumer key, and then you'll go to the bottom of the page and do create access token. Then you want to put all of this information into the config.js and archive.js files that you got from GitHub. Okay, so then we go back into the terminal and you say pwd enter to tell you what folder you're in, and then cd, and then drag in a folder as shown to go to a new folder. Then when you're in the Turing folder, you want to say npminit and hit enter. And then just finally say yes when it asks you to, and you'll have created the new package.json file. Then you want to say npm install twit -- save. This adds all of the Twitter packaging from Node to your computer. As you can see, it created the Node module. Add npm itabletop, npm imarkov Twitter bot, and npm ireadline sync to add the other parts that are necessary for the file. Then you can start accessing the files. So what you're going to do to access the bot is say node archive.js. Then you want to look and see what about 2 minutes from the current time is, and that's the value that you're going to answer when it asks when you want to send the tweet. It's going to give you an archive option to also tweet. You can tweet that or not. That would automatically tweet this from your account when you say yes. And then in 2 minutes, at 57, at whatever the time 57 is, this next tweet, that's the Markov evolutionary bot, will tweet. To exit the program, you say Control-C. The other program is node.rt.js. You want to start with a big search that returns 10 different search options. This is so that you can narrow down your search once you find out whatever terrible thing it is that you're specifically looking for. This bot is meant to sort out combining with your keywords and the filters that I've put on to sort out specific sexist things. Then you can decide to retweet it or not. See here, you can narrow the search to little to just return 1 tweet, and that's what you want to do when you actually retweet it. To review the terminal commands, pwd tells you the folder you're in, cd turns to a new folder, ls lists all the files in that new folder, and then you can access the file by saying node archive.js and then quit with Control-C. You can clear the screen with the word clear.